So my AirPods have been acting up lately, so headed to the Apple store now. They're still under warranty until August 7th, I think. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to the Apple store and see if I can't get them replaced so I can be back in business. The left microphone isn't working, and then the right ear, I've got like some major feedback and bass happening, so we can't have that. So yeah, like I said, headed to the Apple store. Hopefully they will be able to fix that for me in a quick, timely manner. I hope. Just a little update on the Apple store. So the longest part was just the waiting, but everything went well. I got some new AirPods. Yeah, they replaced them for me for free since they were still under warranty. Gotta love warranty. And so now I have 2 new AirPods. Microphones are working, sound is working. Everything is back to the way that it should be. And now I got some new fresh AirPods without earwax in them. Won't he do it? Have some errands to run today. We're gonna hit up the chiropractor first because that spine and neck health really does affect the rest of your body and how just everything functions. So gonna hit up the chiropractor, and then I think I need to drop off some boxes for recycling, and got a couple of other errands, so come along. The electroshock therapy thing on my shoulders and my lower back. Then I was on the table where they do the whole popping of the back and the neck. I had tons of cracking and popping right now. I'm on the heated water bed that massages your back, and this is the best part of the visit. It only lasts for about 5 minutes, but it is 5 minutes in heaven, so it's just nice. After going to the chiropractor and getting our backs broke, we always like to go to Lidl just to get some, what do they call it? Just pastries and bakery items. It's just a nice little thing it's loud in here. It's just a nice little tradition that we have after that. Take the kids and, like I said, get some pastries. Some pastries and whatnot. So it's just a fun little outing. It's right next door to our chiropractor. So yeah, that's what we typically do. Alright, so I am back and done with my walk and about to make some breakfast. I'm really wanting a breakfast burrito, which is really just going to be eggs inside of a tortilla, but hey, that's what we're calling it. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a Christmas shirt in July, it's because I feel like Christmas can be celebrated at any time. No, it's because it was the first shirt that I grabbed out of my drawer and I like the color and I really couldn't care less. So yeah, I will wear Christmas shirts year round. Doesn't matter to me. If they have Thanksgiving shirts, I would wear Thanksgiving shirts year round too. So let's go on and get breakfast going. Want some coffee in my system. Have some things I need to get done in terms of editing videos. And we're going to the beach this weekend. It's coming to the end of the summer. This is our last trip for the summer, I believe. So we're going to go to the beach for the weekend with half the family. The whole family was supposed to go, but stuff came up, so the whole family's not going anymore. Only one of my sisters and one of my nieces, and my mom is going. My dad is going to be somewhere else because a family member died, so he's going to be at a funeral. And then my other sister and her 3 daughters were originally supposed to come, but since all of this back to school stuff and orientations and things are happening in the near future, they are no longer able to go. So we're going to enjoy the beach for them. But yeah, I need to pack, and I actually have a video idea for that, which I need to go ahead and film about the products that I take for my locks when I go on beach trips, because it's different than when I go on other trips, and I just think it would be interesting. Maybe it wouldn't be interesting to y'all, but I'm just going to tell y'all what I take in my special lock bag to make sure that I can stay hydrated, moisturized, and looking like $1,000,000 even when I'm on vacation on the beach. So yeah, but like I said, we need to start with breakfast and get some nourishment into my body before we do anything else. So let's go get that taken care of. You want a snack, Bug? Bug's like, before you fix your breakfast, you better run me my snack, sir. Say, run me my snack, sir. Yeah. All right, let's get you a snack. Come on. Girl, no. I get it for you. Come on. Let's go. She said, no. Run me my... Where you going? Where you going? What are we going to do for snack? What are we going to do for snack? You want to say something? She's like, if you don't hurry up and get me my snack and get me off this doggone camera, let's handle this snack, y'all. My wife came home one day and she just randomly was like, hey, at some point I would really love a coffee machine that has the little frother, because we have a frother, one of those like battery powered ones, but you know, when you have to pull this out every time, and if your batteries aren't charged, which apparently these aren't, there's no batteries in there at all, so you got to worry about batteries. And yeah, so she was like, I just want an all-in-one. So I'm like, cool. It wasn't Mother's Day, it wasn't a birthday, it was just a I love you gift. So went out and got this Keurig, and I will link it in the description below, because this Keurig is amazing. We love it. Like I said, it is all in one. So we get our coffee. You can do coffee, you can do a latte or a cappuccino with this 6 ounce, 8 ounce, 10 ounce, 12 ounce, or you can do espresso shots. And then over here, you also have the frother. So you put your milk, almond milk, whatever kind of milk you want to put in there. You can do a latte froth, a cappuccino froth, or you can do a cold coffee froth thing. So what I love about this is that not only does it froth the milk, but it also heats the milk up. Because nothing is worse than going to put milk in your coffee or froth in your coffee and it's cold, and then you end up having to heat up your coffee in the microwave after you've already gotten your coffee ready. So it's already ready. The coffee stays hot. It's perfect. It's wonderful. We love it. And if I was a decent barista, I would actually be able to make it look a little bit prettier on top. But I couldn't care less. I got my coffee, I got my froth. All is right in the world, at least for now. It is hot. It is already 82 degrees. The girls and I are going to run some errands. Need to go to Kohl's to drop off another Amazon thing so I can get my money back and that $5 gift card certificate thing that you get with the Amazon returns at Kohl's. What else? Need to run to Target to pick up some sushi for lunch, and there's somewhere else we gotta go. Oh, drop off library books. Gotta drop those library books off too. So let's go. So the line was short, it was quick, painless, easy return. So we're happy about that, right, Tori?
Yes.
Yes, where are you? There you are. So, now on to get the sushi.